In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your business location in your Booksy account. This process is straightforward, but making sure every detail is correct is essential so clients always know where to find you. Whether you're using the Booksy app on your iOS or Android device or accessing it via your desktop at booksy.com, we've got you covered. First, let's start by opening the Booksy app on your mobile device. If you're on a desktop, you'll want to head to booksy.com. It's important to have your account credentials handy, whether you've chosen to create a unique username and password or are using an existing email account login. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all your business tools and features. Now that you're all logged in, let's navigate to your business profile. On both mobile and desktop, you'll want to find a tab or section labeled Profile or Business Settings. Inside this area, you should see an option for business information. This is where you'll have access to all the key details that your clients will see when they view your profile. The next step is to update your business location. As you scroll through your business information, keep an eye out for the location or address field. When you find it, you'll see an option to edit. Go ahead and tap or click on Edit to begin updating your business address. Enter your new business address carefully and pay special attention to any details like the street number or suite number, if applicable. Now here's an important tip. You'll want to ensure that the location pin on the map corresponds accurately to your updated address. If the pin doesn't appear in the right place, you can drag it to the correct location. This small but crucial detail ensures that clients using GPS to find your business won't encounter any unnecessary confusion or frustration. After you've verified everything and made the necessary adjustments, it's time to save your changes. You should see a Save button, or perhaps it's represented by a check mark. By tapping or clicking Save, you ensure that the details you've just updated are correctly reflected across your profile. This seamless update is vital as it helps new and returning clients find you without any hassle. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully updated your business location in Booksy. Doing this ensures you're always providing your clients with the most current information, helping maintain your professional presence and reliability across the platform. Thanks for watching, and keep your business running smoothly by staying on top of your tech tools.